Hey guys, it's Tyler Gentry with L2 Realty, standing here on a 153-acre farm. We're just west of Ark City in Sumner County. This farm is a fantastic deer hunting property. There's also a ton of pheasants and a ton of quail, so if you're a bird hunter, you're gonna like that. But this is a deer hunter's dream. So we've converted some of the old CRP into production ground, and so there's wheat planted there right now. We've got about 60 acres of wheat. What that does is it creates good access for this farm. You can get in and out of your stands. You've got a main creek system that flows through the middle of this place. Got a couple good blocks of mature woods, and then on the far side of this creek, tons of big CRP type native grasses. 6 foot tall, the best bedding you could ever anticipate. So this property is loaded with sign. There's rubs and scrapes all over, but I could talk about the type of property this is all day. Just look at the footage that we took 20 minutes ago of some of the deer on this place. So this tract has road frontage on the south side and the east side, and that's kind of where we've placed the crop ground. But what that does is it's going to give you really good access to your tree stands and your blinds on north winds and west winds. You can access these places without disturbing any of the cover, come directly off the road, easy to get to, minimal intrusion. So not only does this farm have that crop ground, but it's pretty diverse. You've got mature timber, you've got like a creek type system with some of the species you'd anticipate seeing, cottonwoods and willows and hedge trees and hackberries. You've also got all these big warm season grasses to provide really good winter bedding, as well as summer browse with all the forbs that are in there. And then you've got great upland bird habitat if you're a bird hunter. So if you guys want to take a look at this awesome deer hunting property, give me a call, shoot me a message. Happy to take you out here, show you some of the trail camera photos, and really explain how this farm lays out and how you can hunt it efficiently and have a great time owning a good piece of land.